We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to print a supply status page, and I'm working with the Dell B-3460dn. So what you want to do is on your home screen right here, go ahead and go down to settings, hit OK, and then you're going to go to reports, and then device statistics, and hit OK. Once you do that, it should start printing your supply status page. You can find useful information on this page, such as the original install date of the toner, how many pages you printed on it, and so much more. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.